In a certain alien world, the maximum running speed v of an organism is dependent on its number of toes. So just to make it more clear, n is toes and m is number of eyes. Okay? And the relationship is v. So what is v? V is the max speed, right? And the relationship between all of this is v is equal to k times n to the a times m to the b. And we know that in the population where all organisms have 5 toes, log v is equal to that. And when organisms have 25 eyes, we get this. And when it's where we have this, where the logarithms are base 10. Okay. What is k plus a plus b? So all logarithms here are base 10. So let's take the log of this general formula here and see what we can do with what we get. So log of v is going to be equal to log of k n to the a, that's a terrible a, times m to the b. And k, a, b are constants. So n is a variable here. How do we break this down? Well, what is the log of a times b? Log of a times b is log a plus log b, regardless of what a and b is. So that's log k plus log n to the a plus log m to the b. We also know that log of n to the a, for where a is some constant, n is some variable, is a log n. Actually, n can be anything. Doesn't have to be a variable, but this is just a formula. So this can be reduced to log k plus a log n plus b log m. Okay, so now that we've simplified this, we can plug in some values here. So when organisms have 5 toes, so when n is equal to 5, we get log v is equal to log k, right, plus a times log of 5 plus b times log of m. But we know that the expressions just simplify into log v is equal to 4 plus 2 log m. So just pattern match, right? This has to correspond with this. So that means b must equal 2. And we know that a times log 5 has to equal 0 because there's no constant term. Actually, a log 5, no, we don't have that. It's a log 5, right? This is some constant, plus log k, which is also some constant, has to equal 4. A does not have to be 0. So we have this expression here, right? Just from this expression. Okay, so we can move on. What about when it has 25 eyes? Well, when it has 25 eyes, that's m is equal to 25. So basically, if we apply into this general formula here, log v is equal to log k plus a times log n plus b times log 25. But we know that this expression should reduce into 4 plus 4 log n. So 4 plus 4 log, what is it? Log n. Okay, so again, just pattern match, right? We know that from this expression, a has to equal 4. And we know that the constants summed together has to equal 4. So log base k plus b log base 25 has to equal 4. And that's all we have here. We have these two expressions. But we know b, we know a, we should be able to solve for k using any of these formulas. So let's just plug in a for this equation number 1. 4 times log 5 plus log base k is equal to 4. We should be able to solve for k. So if we simplify this, that's log base 5 to the 4th plus log base k is equal to 4. And if we reverse this, that becomes log of k times 5 to the 4 is equal to 4. And if we take the exponent of 10 on both sides, then that becomes k times 5 to the 4th is equal to 10 to the 4th. Hence, k is equal to 10 to the 4th divided by 5 to the 4th. Now, that is the same as 10 divided by 5 raised to the 4th power, which is 2 to the 4th, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. And we are trying to find what k plus a plus b is. Well, k is equal to 16, a is 4, b is 2, 16 plus 6 is 22. So your final answer should be answer choice C.